Basketball again? No, no, no. This week we're doing bowling.
It's a big gap. If you're going to turn up once or twice a year, you're not going to win much. My name's Nick Longworth. I went out on a works do one evening, liked it so much, thought I'd come down to my local centre and see if I could join a league. They were all full up, so I decided to start my own league. I'm still running this league here now, 30 years later on. It's like with any sport, you know, the more you practice, the better you are. So, you know, you need to be coming down and practicing, you know, 2 or 3 times a week, if not more. In competitions, there's generally a dress code, no jeans. You're already banned if it was there, but as it's a fun night, you'll be all right. Generally, you'd have a shirt with your name on the back, which we have. We have our team name and our own names. For general league and fun, there's no restrictions. I mean, we don't want mankinis and things like that, but everything else is fine. Yeah. Some people would say there's a bit of luck. We're on string pins here, not free fall. So strings do have an effect on knocking pins down when they probably shouldn't have done. So there is an element of luck, but a lot of it is skill. Hampshire used to have 8 or 9 bowling centres. There's now 2 or 3. We used to have youth bowling clubs in each one of those. And I used to run one of them at Millbrook for 20 years. All of that's died down now. The centres don't want that sort of thing in. They sometimes don't like us here in leagues. I mean, we were lucky. They took us on over at Hollywood. It's enjoyable. And you've got people of all ages, you know, from the youngsters, 2 or 3-year-old with a ramp and that. And we've got bowlers in their 80s that bowl in our leagues. There's no discrimination in age to come and enjoy bowling.
Ed Groves, Solent Sports News.